Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. I'm so happy to share with you one of my traditional recipes from North Karnataka. This is going to be Mandakki Oggarane. This is a famous brunch recipe prepared across Karnataka, and we use only puffed rice or Muri for this recipe. I will be using 4 liters of this puffed rice, and apart from that I'll be using finely chopped onion, half a lime. This is salted peanuts, 3 tablespoons I'll be using. Garlic and chilies which is crushed and reserved. 2 to 3 sprigs of curry leaves. We need cumin, split chickpeas, dried red chilies and mustard. Finely chopped coriander, turmeric powder and asafoetida. So all the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I've given you a detailed recipe. So first of all, I've sorted that puffed rice and I've checked if there is any stones or any sort of sticks in it, and I've started to wash it. So here in North Karnataka and in Karnataka especially, you will find these type of recipes prepared during Sundays. These are very traditional sort of brunch recipes which is prepared across Karnataka. So this puffed rice is available all over India. We are known to serve this as a snack or to prepare and eat it as a snack during tea time. But here in Karnataka, they prepare a special breakfast itself using this. So first and foremost, I've started to wash this puffed rice, and using a colander, I'm just going to drain all the excess water. So there is one speciality about this puffed rice: you can wash it twice or thrice, and you'll just have to squeeze it and allow it to drain using a colander. Then after 5 minutes, it will automatically puff up again, and it will become separated. So it is very easy and convenient to handle it. So once I've drained all the excess moisture, I've started to prepare the tadka or the upma. I've heated a wok on medium flame. To the wok I've added 3 tablespoons of oil. And now to this oil I'm going to start tempering it with the mustard seeds, split chickpeas, cumin seeds and dried red chili. So all these ingredients are easily available. Do try this recipe, friends. It's a very traditional recipe from our Karnataka. If you go to Davangere side or Davangere centers in Karnataka, in Bangalore especially, where they sell this Davangere masala dosa, no, you can find this sold in during Sundays. So during Sundays they'll sell it 100%. I've also added the crushed garlic and chili paste along with curry leaves and onions, and I'm frying it till the raw flavor reduces. The onion also should turn transparent. Once the onion turns transparent, you'll just have to add turmeric powder. So this Davangere center in Baswangudi, that is in NR Colony Road, they sell this particular dish during Sundays. Do give this a try. It's very nice and tasty. Once you like it there, you can prepare it at home itself. So I added the turmeric powder and asafoetida along with a little bit of salt, and I've fried all the ingredients till the raw flavor has reduced from the turmeric powder. Once the raw flavor has reduced from the turmeric powder, I've added the washed and reserved puffed rice. This is very healthy recipe, especially for people with blood pressure or even with diabetes. It's a very nice and healthy recipe. The one thing I would suggest is don't add salt immediately. Add salt in stages. Once you mix it, taste it and then add salt. So once the puffed rice is mixed thoroughly, I've sprinkled a bit of coriander, peanuts, lime juice, and I've also adjusted the salt as per taste. So allow this to heat up, and once it heats up, it's ready to serve. Normally this particular dish is served with Mirchi Bajji. So I'm going to show you how to prepare the Mirchi Bajji. I've reserved bhaji chilies or banana peppers is what they call. Apart from that, we need cooking soda, chaat masala powder, cumin powder. I've already shown you how to prepare tamarind chutney in my chaat series. I'll link the tamarind chutney recipe in the description box below this video. I'm using that chutney, and I'll also be using chili powder, chickpea flour and asafoetida. We need oil for frying, of course. I'm going to start preparing the chutney first. In that tamarind chutney, I've added chili powder, salt, the chaat masala, and just a pinch of cumin powder. Given this good mix, and I tasted, if required you can add salt, but the chaat masala already contains a lot of salt. Just check and add if needed. And this chutney is ready to be filled inside the chilies. So I'm going to prepare the batter. For the batter, I've added the chickpeas to a mixing bowl along with cooking soda, cumin powder, chili powder, and asafoetida. I've also added salt as per taste. So in a wok, I've heated oil. I'll be adding the hot oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons to the batter. The reason I'm adding the hot oil is because it will give a good shine and it will also enhance the flavor. So once I've added the hot oil, I'm just going to add a little bit of water at a time and give this a good mix and prepare a batter. The recipe in detail is posted on my blog, friends. Blog link will be in the description box below this video. The same recipes are also translated and posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be in the description box below this video. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. I keep posting stories on a regular basis, so you can follow me there. And thank you so much, friends, for supporting me on YouTube. I've seen a lot of people requesting me for traditional recipes, and that's what I'm posting. Now the batter is ready. Once you dip your finger, the batter should coat your finger. I've slit the banana peppers in the center and I've started to spread the chutney inside. Just take a small amount and spread it inside. It will enhance the fragrance and taste of this Mirchi Bajji. So when we eat this peppers along with that upma, so it adds to the taste and it pairs well with that upma. Now I'm just going to dip this banana pepper in the batter and start frying it. Also make sure your wok is nice and hot at low flame. Add enough oil. These peppers were too big. We didn't have an estimate. We added very less oil. But add enough oil and fry it on medium to low flame. Don't put it on high flame. If you put it on high flame, your batter will get burnt, but your pepper will not cook inside. So place it on medium to low flame and cook it. And also allow the oil to reach on temperature on low flame itself. Now I've added the batter coated chilies and I've fried it both sides till the batter turned light brown in color. Once the chilies have fried, I've gone ahead, drained the excess oil and served it. This is a very nice dish, friends. You have to give it a try, and if possible, if you're unable to prepare it at home, try tasting this at Baswangudi NR Colony. They serve very nice mandakki there. So once these bhajis are fried, I've gone ahead and served my mandakki. Normally this mandakki is served with this bhajis and jalebi. So all the three, somehow it goes very well and it tastes really good. They also serve a chutney, coconut chutney, but that is not required. Do give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed watching my video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Bye-bye.